Welcome to Way to Commerce. Subscribe to Way to Commerce. Today we discuss about preparation of partners capital accounts. Our main objective is conceptual learning. So partners capital accounts. So partners capital account is a represent the partners interest in the business. So partners interest in the business. That means how much introduced as capital, how much interest paid, how much interest on drawings, so etc. We shown that. In case of partnership business, a separate capital account is maintained for each partner to know the each partner's capital account. The capital accounts of partners may be maintained by following any of the following two methods. So generally two methods. The first one is fixed capital accounts. Second one is fluctuation capital accounts. First of all, we discuss about fixed capital accounts. Name itself contains fixed capitals. In fixed capital account, we maintain two accounts. One is partners capital account. Second one is partners current account. Under this method, capitals of the partners remain fixed. Capital accounts of the partners will show always credit balance because at the time of introducing capital, what is the entry? Cash account debit to partners capital account. So we credit side amount. For example, 1 lakh. 1 lakh is credited to partners capital account. In case of fixed capital method, the amount is shown in partners capital account. Under this method, mainly two accounts are prepared. One is partners capital account and partners current account. There are only two situations when fixed capitals of the partners may be changed. So this capital amount changed only two situations. Situation one is when additional capital is introduced by the partner. So if additional capital 20,000 is introduced, what is the entry? Cash account debit to partners capital account. Then the capital account is 1.2 lakhs. After adding, so second situation. What is the second situation? When some part of the capital is withdrawn permanently by the partners. If permanently withdrawn by the partner, what is the entry? Reverse the entry. So partners capital account attached to cash account. In case of 20,000 is withdrawn from partners capital. So how much? Again 1 lakh. So these two situations only partners capital account changed. Okay. Now we go to two accounts. The first one is partners capital account. Second one is partners current account. So this is fixed. Only two situations only partners capital account changed. One is introduced of capital. Another one is permanently withdrawn from capital. Okay. So first of all, partners capital account is generally credit balance. So by balance brought down, this is the opening balance. So this is the entry number 1. In case of capital introduced, so what is the entry? Cash account debit to partners capital account. So this is cash account or bank account debited to partners capital account. So this is the second entry. So next, in case of permanently withdrawn from capital, so what is the entry? Reverse the entry. Partners capital account attached to cash or bank account because the partners capital account is reduced. That's why we have debited partners capital account. So this is the third entry. So after that, we close the balance. Okay. Always shows credit balance only, partners capital account. Next, partners current account. So partners capital account may have debit balance or credit balance. In case of credit balance, it is created by balance brought down. So A capital, B capital. In case of debit balance, two balance brought down, A capital, B capital. Next, so in case of interest on capital paid, so what is the entry interest on capital? We know that in profit and loss appropriation account, already discussed it. So what is the entry? Interest on capital accounted at to partners current account, because this is fixed capital method. That's why we have created partners current account. Next, in case of salary or remuneration paid, so what is the entry? Salary or remuneration accounted at to partners current account, because interest, salary, commission, these are expenses. That's why we have debited to this account, and these are paid to partners account. That's why created to partners current account. Then only partners balance, credit balance increase. Okay. Next, in case of commission or bonus paid, commission or bonus accounted at to partners current account. Okay. After that, in case of drawings, that means withdrawn from the partners capital account. What is the entry? That means partners capital account is reduced. Partners current account at to drawings account. Okay. Next, interest on drawings. Then partners current account is debited, credited to interest on drawings account. Okay. Next, this profit and loss appropriation account, loss. So what is the entry? Partners current account debited to profit and loss appropriation account. So in case of profit arises and profit and loss appropriation account, then what is the entry? Profit and loss appropriation account debited to partners current account. Okay. Next, so after that we close the account. In case of credit closing balance, to balance carried out. In case of debit side, excess of debit, by balance carried out, if any. So this is the partners current account. So note, the first one is debit balance of current account is shown in asset side of balance sheet. What is the reason behind this? Debit balance of current account, that means partner owes to the business. Generally partners capital account is created, but here debit balance, it shows in the asset side of the balance sheet. Next, credit balance of the current account is shown in liability side of the balance sheet. Third note, balance of capital accounts are always shown in liability side of balance sheet, because balance of capital account always shown on liability side of balance sheet, because it always shows credit balance only. Next, we see the second method, fluctuating capital accounts. So in fluctuating capital accounts, only one account is prepared, partners capital account. We merged all entries in one account. So this is the fluctuating capital account. Under this method, only one account, that means partner capital account, is prepared for each partner. All the adjustments such as share of profit or loss, interest on capital, interest on drawings, salary, commission to partners, etc. are recorded in the capital accounts of the partners. This makes the balance in the capital account to fluctuate from time to time. It may show debit or credit balance. Okay, it may show debit or credit balance. In the absence of instruction, the capital account should be prepared by this method only. So in the case of absence, we have to prepare only single account, that means fluctuating capital accounts. So we know this just merged. So by balance brought down in case of credit balance. Next, in case of additional capital introduced, what is the entry? Cash account, bank account, it had to debit to partners capital account. Interest on capital, what is the entry? Interest on capital debited to partners capital account. In case of salary or commission, debited to partners capital account. Next, if drawings paid, that means drawings by the partners. So what is the entry? Partners capital account attached to drawings account. Interest on drawings, partners capital account debited to interest on drawings account. Okay, these are the entries. In case of loss, profit and loss appropriation loss, we have divided to partner's capital account to profit and loss appropriation account. In case of income, so we have credited. After that, we close the partner's capital account to balance carried down or by balance carried down, if any. So this is the partner's capital account.